Before you start using Yoza, you will receive an invitation email from Yoza. Click this link to retrieve your access code. Click here to copy your access code. Next, click here to download the setup.exe file, which is needed to install the Yoza client application. Open the executable and follow the steps to install the application. In your system tray, right-click the Yoza client icon and select Access Codes. A pop-up will appear. Paste the access code you copied earlier and click the Add New Code button. Once verified, the Yoza client app will immediately update your Outlook signatures. You can confirm this by opening Outlook and composing a new email.